Your pilgrimage is just around the corner, and we're so excited to have you along for the journey. Check out these tips as you pack to make sure that you're prepared for everything that's in store. Packing tip number 1, pack what you need, not what you fear you will need. Now, look, I know you're going to the other side of the world, to a country you might not have been to before, and it's really easy to think about all the worst case scenarios. What if it rains every day? But what if it rains half the days and it's super hot the others? And what if I lose my shoes? And what if I get blisters? And what if my backpack breaks? And what if I need 4 extra pairs of socks because mine got stolen by a cat? These are all ridiculous scenarios, and realistically, all of them could happen. However, if you pack for every potential scenario that goes wrong, you are going to end up with 5 suitcases on your way to your pilgrimage, which unfortunately is going to be cumbersome for you and slow you down on your journey. When you think about packing, sometimes it's really helpful to pack more than the hour before you go to the airport, and then step away from your suitcase for a little bit and come back maybe the next day and look at it and think, what do I actually need to bring on this journey? And what am I just bringing because I'm stressed about what might happen? Our second packing tip has to do with your shoes. No matter where you are traveling or what time of the year you are going to need a pair of broken-in, super comfortable walking shoes. You should definitely bring a pair of tennis shoes like these that have good traction on the bottom, that you've worn before, and that are going to keep your feet comfortable throughout long days while you're on your journey. You also, depending on the time of the year, might want to bring another pair of shoes that are going to be just as comfortable but serve multi-purpose. If you're traveling in the winter, a pair of boots that are waterproof, that are a little bit warm, and that have good traction, like these Blundstones, can be really helpful. In the summer, Chacos are my go-to. They're fun, comfortable, supportive sandals that can be worn both throughout long days visiting many sites and also if you wanted to dress up a little bit. Packing tip number 3 is to plan and layer. Thinking about clothes that are neutral colored and you can wear multiple times with different things to mix and match will maximize the amount of wears you're able to get out of the things in your suitcase. When it's cold, dressing in layers with a coat and a fleece and a hat and gloves allows you to adapt to varying temperatures as you're going in and outside of buildings, as well as adapting to being warmer in the afternoon and cooler in the mornings and evenings. If it's warm out, you're going to want to wear lightweight clothes. So travel pants and lightweight shirts or breathable dry fit material are going to be really important. Also, don't forget to pack a shawl or a sweater to make sure your shoulders are covered when you're entering in various religious sites. Packing tip number 4, be smart about how you put your stuff in your suitcase. If you have a huge pile of clothes, it might look incredibly disorganized and you might not know how to sort through things, but you can take this same pile of stuff, roll certain things, and utilize packing cubes to condense, and you can make the same amount of things you need to pack fit in a much more consolidated area. This allows you to not only bring more, but also perhaps use a smaller suitcase or save plenty of room for souvenirs. Our last packing tip is to be intentional about the bags you choose to bring on your pilgrimage. Now, there's nothing wrong with checking a bag. I've done that myself. If you do choose to check a bag, however, make sure that you bring all of your essentials, like an extra change of clothes and any necessary medications, in your backpack on the airplane. Another really important bag that you want to have is a day pack. Your day pack should hold things like your water bottle and your wallet, your pilgrim booklet, a journal, your rosary as you're going throughout the day. Maybe your day pack is a little smaller, so it's not the bag you bring as your carry-on. When I travel, I usually put my day pack folded up inside my suitcase, which allows me to maximize what I'm able to bring for my carry-on allowance. Packing can be stressful, but hopefully these tips will ease your worry. Don't forget to reach out to hello@versoministries.com with any questions that you have. Thanks for watching and see you soon.